Hey everyone, a very quick channel update. A bit of a crazy week with all the freezing cold temperatures and all the snow. But I put out a little video reminding you that it's quite okay to fly your Mavic down to about -10 degrees or 15 degrees Fahrenheit. So I hope you've all been getting some good footage there. But the most fun I've had this week has actually been at night time up on Tower Bridge, playing with the set of ND filters that I got from Freewell this week. And doing long exposure photography, which has allowed me to do some pretty cool effects. So I'm putting together a little tutorial on what settings to change on the Osmo Pocket, because all of those were shot on the Osmo Pocket, not on a normal DSLR camera. As you can see, you can get some pretty nice effects on running water as well as nighttime. So as I said, I'm putting together a tutorial, hopefully get that out in the next few days. But I had to share a few of the photos with you now, because frankly, I was pretty impressed with them. That's a bird scarer, I'm not being shot. Anyway, right, try again. Anyway, so hopefully that tutorial will be up in the next few days. It needs quite a bit of editing because I've got a few close-ups of how to change the settings as well. As ever, hit the subscribe, and if you hit the little bell button as well, you'll get notified the moment I put that out and you won't miss it. Anyway, hope you've had a great week, and I will speak to you very soon. Take care, have fun, happy flying. Cheers.